Hi, I'm Michael Caines, chef owner of Limston Manor in Exmouth, and today I'll be making a beautifully steamed fillet of salmon served with saffron and cauliflower couscous. So today I'm cooking this beautiful steamed salmon dish. It's a really healthy dish and we're using this wonderful technique, steaming, to get all of the full flavours out of the salmon. And the great thing about it is, of course, you're not using any oil or butter. So let's start off with our salmon. Now that piece of fat salmon is big enough to do 3 portions. Just cut that evenly into 3 pieces. It's an absolutely stunning piece of fish. Once we've done that, I've taken this little parchment paper ready to put the salmon on. So that's the salmon portion. Now it's time to make the marinade. I have whole cumin and whole fennel seed, and we just want to toast the spice just to release those aromatic flavours. Okay, whilst we're waiting for that to heat up, we're just going to take some coriander, chop some of this to go into the marinade as well. Next up, we're going to take our mayonnaise. Into that, we've got some grated zest of orange, and of course, some lovely crushed and chopped garlic, and then some coriander. And now these spices can go in. I've chosen deliberately not to crush the spice because I want the texture to add a little crunch to the top of the salmon. Love it. So first up, a little bit of seasoning on the salmon, and then spoon the marinade quite generously on top of the salmon. So there we go. So now we can put that in the fridge for at least half an hour to an hour whilst we prepare the couscous. So for the couscous, we're going to use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're going to add to this the shallots and garlic. And just looking for just a hint of colour. Now we're going to add our spice. So we've got a good pinch of ras hanout, some cumin powder, and also some turmeric, a little bit of saffron, star anise, and the cassia bar or cinnamon stick as it's known. And now we're ready to add the orange juice and water, which we then bring up to the boil. I'm going to add some of the cauliflower to that just briefly. So all we do with couscous is add the hot liquid and then leave that to marinate and just fluff up. So bringing back 2 portions of salmon, and we're going to steam them for about 8 minutes. Whilst we're waiting for those to cook, we can finish our couscous. So we're going to remove the spices now, they've done their job. Out comes the cinnamon and the star anise, and then we're going to add our chopped coriander and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just so it stays nice and moist. Smells absolutely delicious. So let's take the salmon out now they're cooked. Now we're ready to dress the dish. Take our finished couscous and we're going to add that to the centre of the plate. And then on top of that, place your salmon. A little bit of the garnish of the raw cauliflower, just to add a bit of texture. So there we have it, our healthy steamed salmon with saffron and cauliflower couscous. Thank you all so much for watching, and of course you can find lots more recipes on the Vitality Magazine website as well as greatbritishchefs.com.